Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send crypto from crypto.com to Robinhood. So make sure to download both of these applications in your mobile phone and just go to the Robinhood. Make sure to enter your PIN and you will be seeing like the home interface of the application with your account details. So from here you can just click on the middle option, which is kind of a search option. Just click here, and as you can see that I have not verified my account, so make sure to verify your identity. And once you verify your identity, you can just click on this middle option, and from here you can just search the currency or the coin that you want to receive. Let's say this is the Ethereum, so make sure to search here Ethereum. They will give you the wallet address of Robinhood in which you can receive your Ethereum. So once you copy the address, just go back to the crypto.com, and once you're into this application, make sure to enter your PIN and you will see this interface. So from here, just click on these three lines on the upper left corner and just click on the first option, which is crypto wallet. And once you're in this section, just click on transfer. And from here, just choose withdraw, choose external wallet, and make sure to click on wallet address, click on add. And from here you can just choose the currency that you want to receive. Let's say that we copied the Ethereum address from our Robinhood, so just choose the Ethereum. And from here you can just select the network as well, which must be the same to the the wallet address that you copied from the Robinhood. So make sure to choose the Ethereum, or let's say that you choose any other like network, so make sure to choose that network. Long press to enter the wallet address. Just make sure to paste the address that you copied from Robinhood, and in this section just make sure to enter the wallet's name, which is your account name. Click on continue, and once you click on continue, they will ask you to enter the amount that you want to send. Just enter the amount, click on continue, click on confirm, and like within 2 to 3 minutes your amount will be transferred from crypto.com to the Robinhood. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.